Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I wanted to try to give you a little bit of hope if you're thinking that your yard's a lost cause this year, if you're already having tons of weeds coming up, especially when it comes to grassy weeds. I kind of wanted to tell you what's going on. We're seeing tons of grassy weeds coming up all over the place right now. You probably see lawns that look like it looks like the grass is growing. They look green. Some of the medians around town, they're starting to look green, but that's not turf that's coming up. That's not turf grass. Those are grassy weeds that are coming up, and it's two in particular that we're seeing most right now, and that's rescue grass. Rescue grass is a darker color green. It has a glossy look to it. It looks a lot like Dallas grass, but glossy, and it grows in clumps, and it's coming up all over the place right now. Poana is the other one. Poana is a lighter color green. It also grows in clumps, and it has some white little buds or blooms on the tips of it. Those two weeds are extremely problematic this time of year. They come up all over the place. Now, what you need to know is, for one, those are prevented with the fall pre-emergent. If you get the fall pre-emergent down, you won't have those weeds coming up in your lawn. But secondly, those are cool season grasses. Those are winter grasses that are coming up, and so it's not the end of the world if you're seeing them right now. You can still get your yard turned around. Over the course of the next couple of months, as the temperatures start to increase, those grasses are going to die off. Those weeds are going to die off on their own. You can put a post-emergent on them to speed up that process, but just on their own without doing anything, they're going to die off eventually. So one thing I can guarantee you is if you don't put a pre-emergent down right now, once they do start to die off, something's going to come in and take their place. That's a guaranteed fact. There's going to be another weed come in and take their place. So if you think it's a lost cause, it's not just yet. Go ahead and get your pre-emergent out, get it out as soon as possible, and then when all these winter weeds start dying off, your yard's going to look a lot better later on this spring and into the summer months. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to give us a call or comment below. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.